Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Cantu Maximum Hold Gel. Yes, Cantu has got a styling gel. So this is the Shea Butter Maximum Hold Strengthening Styling Gel. This is what the packaging looks like. It's quite clear. It's got like a clear jelly-like consistency. It smells fresh and okay. My hair is parted in 4 sections, freshly washed. I'm just going to start with the back section and apply some gel. Break my fingers straight, so I'm going to be doing a wash and go. Feels really nice, but it has turned kind of white. I just hope it doesn't flake on me. It's got a nice definition, not the best, but not bad. So I'm just raking my fingers through it. My hair is washed. Like I said, I deep conditioned my hair. I've not put any leave-in today. I've just washed the hair, and now I'm starting with the gel straight on. So it's not really the product I've put in it that's making it white. I'm not too sure why it's turning white. This retails for $7.99 and is like I said, I got it from Superdrug here in the UK. It looks really nice, the definition. This shea butter one has got American black castor oil in it. It's got a few things in here. It's got, like I said, shea butter. It's got castor seed oil. It's got a few things there like benzoic acid, soy protein, and yeah, it's got a few things in there that I can pronounce. But it says it's infused with black Jamaican castor oil, perfect for maximum hold to help strengthen strands while adding definition of fine to a fine damaged hair. It's made with 100% shea butter and it gives a flake-free result. I'm going to spritz water into the hair just to make it more manageable because the top side is gone dry. It's got 3 gels in this line. There is the strengthening one, which is the one I've got. There is the moisture retention one, and there is the anti-breakage gel. So it's got 3 different types of gel, and I'm trying the Shea Butter Maximum Hold Strengthening Styling Gel today. Kind of like the way it looks. It's got nice definition. And it feels really light, so the gel is thick, but it's not like heavy like the it's not like really heavy like a Eco Styler. It's just a bit light. It feels healthy, but it's not a maximum hold. There is some definition, but it's not very strong definition, and it's got a little freeze. So I'm just doing the back section like so. I'm just raking my fingers through just to make my curls pop out. Just gonna continue till I get to the front. So this is it all applied. It looks really nice actually. It's got like a nice soft hold. I like the way my hair looks. The ends are really defined. Looks it's got some frizz, but it's a medium kind of soft hold. I just hope those whites are gonna dry clear and it's not gonna flake. But I really like the way it looks, guys. I like the definition. I think for 4B hair like my hair, it's gonna give a nice soft hold, but I'm not too sure about it on a 4C hair. It might not give as much hold like it did for me. So this is the amount left. I just used a tiny bit. So I air dried the hair, and this is what it's looking like dried. I'm not too pleased with this because it flaked. You can see the white bits on my hair. The hair dried pretty fast, so I just air dried it for like 7-8 hours, just going around in the sun because I was out. So it claims to be flake free. It claims to be no crunches, no flakes, no itch, but there's flakes. There's white flakes on it. So it shrunk like every gel does. But from afar, you can't see the flake, to be fair. From afar, it's okay. It's nice definition. But close up, the flakes are clearly there. So I'm not too keen on that. But overall, it's not a bad gel. I would use it because I've already bought it, but I don't think I'll buy it again. But that's it. And I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.